How Fiverr works. Now that we've given a basic introduction to Fiverr, it's time to get down to the nuts and bolts of the website so you can utilize it to make money and sell products and services. The first step in doing that is learning exactly how Fiverr works. This will give you the insight into the process and help you understand how the website can work for you. Sellers. Those who are selling products or services will list those products and services for $5 each. That's the only amount that individuals can sell for. Hence the name Fiverr. The wide array of products and services available is mind-boggling. Individuals sell anything from pictures of company logos written in marker to songs and dances and much more. Sellers offer up their services and then provide those services to individuals that buy them. They can receive feedback for the quality of the products and services as well. Buyers. For buyers, Fiverr is a wonderful resource. You can find something purely for entertainment, like having a Fiverr seller call your best friend and singing him happy birthday. Or you could purchase professional services like voiceovers, articles, and more. Fiverr has been compared to a massive global flea market with every kind of product imaginable. In fact, there are so many different types of services that you could spend hours just browsing through. How Fiverr makes money. When a seller makes a sale, they actually only receive $4. Fiverr takes the additional $1 as their fee for connecting the buyer and seller. One small dollar adds up quickly, though. Imagine if Fiverr sellers make a total of 500,000 sales in one day. Fiverr, the company, makes $500,000. The great thing is Fiverr can be very lucrative for you as well. Imagine selling just 5 things a day for $4. That's $20 a day. $140 a week, and an extra $560 a month for a small part-time gig. Not bad. We're going to show you how this and even more is possible. How do you get paid? When the buyer pays you for products or services, Fiverr sends it to your PayPal account. It's a quick and convenient payment method. 48 hours after the buyer makes a payment, it is credited to your account. You'll have to wait 14 days after that, as Fiverr requires a safety clearance period before releasing the money. But this is a minor issue in the grand scheme of things. Overall, it's very fast and easy. As you can tell, using Fiverr is extremely easy, and it's a wonderful way to make additional income. Throughout this package, we're going to teach you exactly how to use it, as well as how to find gigs that are really going to sell like crazy and make you a lot of money.